So you would want to go to your file and see your downloaded font. I got mine from Teachers Pay Teachers. So this is the folder, and I have zip files. And once I click a zip file, it will turn into a folder. So I'm done until my 13th folder. So I'm going to do zip number 14, and then it would come out right there. And when I open it, the font that I bought had two images that would show me easily what kind of font it is, so I could pick right away. And of course, you need to have an application from Apple. It's called Any Font. It's a free app. Download it from the App Store. So you will see all of my downloaded fonts. So this is the key for you to be able to have the font that you like for everything. So I'll show you. So there, I will pick the first one, Avalanche, and then I'm gonna go ahead and click that file, and on the top right corner you will see that you have to click it and then find the three dots. It says more, and then select, you scroll it and say select copy to any font, and you will see that font right up there, Avalanche. It's arranged alphabetically, so you will have to select, and this will come out, and click install, and then download, and then profile close, and then you will have to go to settings, general, and profiles. Click profiles, and it's right on top. You will have to select it again, select, install, and then put your passcode, and next, and install again, and done. That's it. Now we can check if it works. Let's go to GoodNotes. I'm gonna open one document and create a text. So say for example here, this is GoodNotes app, and I will type in something, and then I will select and change the font. There, let's see. So there, Stanford Avalanche. It works for GoodNotes. And we can also go ahead and check other applications like Keynote. This Keynote app is so difficult for me to manipulate. Okay, let's see. Let's insert text box. There. I'm really not used to this yet, so I have plenty of errors. Okay, there. I'm struggling to create a text. Delete this, delete. Okay, I duplicated it. Here. The struggle is real. Hi there. Hello. Text. Let's see if Let's see if it will work. It's getting annoying. Okay, now how do we change the font? Okay, there. Is it here? Yes, it works for Keynote. As you can see. And okay, I'm done. So done. I'm done with that. Next, let's check PowerPoint. Let's go to PowerPoint. There. New blank document. Hello again. PowerPoint instead. PowerPoint. So select and go to home. Change the text. As you can see, it says they're Office compatible fonts. So it's of course in alphabetical order. And then you will see iOS fonts. So that's where you will find your downloaded font. Yes, it works too. Oops. Select it first. Okay. And there. It's there. It works just like the rest. So there you have it. I hope you enjoy. Download as much fonts as you like. And have a good day. Bye.